Let us see an experiment to test analog to digital using potentiometer and 8-channel LED. Potentiometer is an input and 8-channel LED is output. The flowchart explains powering the potentiometer to 3.3 volts. 8-channel LED to 3.3 volts and 5 volts to the ESP32. Now connecting the RFID to ESP32 is input. And output to the 8-channel LED from ESP32. Write the code in the Arduino IDE for the desired input and output device selected to perform this event. Define the pin for 8-channel LED to GPIO 2, 4, 16, 17, 5, 18, 19 and 21. Define the potentiometer pin to GPIO 12. Now we code inside void setup. To activate the pin function, we use pin mode for output 8-channel LED. Inside void loop, we read the potentiometer value using analog read command and store in any variable. Now we convert the analog value to output. Using if condition, if the value is high LED 1 to 8 will be high. Else, LED 8 to 1 will be low. Now save the program, click the tools and select the particular board and select the port. Here the circuit diagram shows the actual wire connections being used. Connect the selected input that is POT to the 3.3 volts power pin which is already powered in the kit and connect to the GPIO 12 pin. Connect the selected output 8-channel LED to the 3.3 volts power pin which is already powered in the kit and the GPIO to the 2, 4, 16, 17, 5, 18, 19 and 21 pin. Power the IoT kit by connecting the adapter. Now tune the potentiometer and see the 8-channel LED function. A potentiometer is a 3-terminal resistor with a sliding or rotating contact that forms an adjustable voltage divider. If only 2 terminals are used, one end and the wiper, it acts as a variable resistor. It is used as voltage divider, PWM adjustment in panel control and volume control. 8-channel LED. It consists of 8 LEDs that are available to check the digital outputs by visually.